Welcome to your Gobble Turkey DIY craft kit. Start by taking all of your supplies out, laying out your steel shape, and then determining which colors you would like to paint each feather. Begin by painting in each feather whatever color you would like. Please remember that each layer needs to be dry before moving on. Once you have all your feathers painted and the head of the turkey, use a paper plate to make the body. As you can see by the lines here, I just traced from corner to corner. Once you have that, paint in the body of your turkey and let that dry. You can use a blow dryer to force dry, only on cool. Use your detail brush to paint the little stripe on his hat. And then you can do the beak, simply making a triangle. The beak and the gobbler may require 2 coats. As you can see, we've already added the buckle by just making 2 squares. And now we add on the gobbler. Those lighter colors may require more than 1 coat. Just be sure to dry in between. Now you can put your eyes on using the end of a pencil. Just dip it in your paint and make a swirly motion until you have the eyes the size that you would like them. Now that the base of your turkey is done, you can decide if you want to add additional details. You can use polka dots. You can use foam spouncers or use things around your house to trace. Trace on your circles, add some white paint to your colors to make a lighter color, and paint those in. Now you can do your detail by just using the cream and the black. Just make swishies around the edge, and you can add some highlights to the beak, the gobbler, and the eyes. Now for the wire, just stick it through the holes, bend the wire back towards you, and make it into a swirly motion. Just swirl it around, and now you have your hanger. Voila, you're done. Send us a picture at customerservice@scrapicated.com.